It's early morning at the Mysore Zoo and the beginning of a new day. This zoo is one of the oldest in India and was established in 1892 by the 23rd Maharaja of Mysore, Sri Chamarajendra Vadiyar. During his time, it occupied just 10 acres of land, but over the years it has expanded tenfold and is now home to over 150 species of animals from India and around the world, including wallabies and cassowaries from Australia, hyenas, rhinos, wild dogs and elephants from Asia, giraffes, zebras, cheetahs and hippos from Africa, and tapirs, jaguars and spectacular birds from South America. This film provides a glimpse of Mysore Zoo. We'll introduce you to some unforgettable characters. Join us in this expedition and discover why it has been consistently rated as one of the best zoos in Asia.